I will, I will start my speech in 3, 2, 1. After hearing the opponent's speech that spent over 8 minutes long, we still denied this motion to pass. Why? Because some questions that need to be answered. And we also would like to point out one key factor that the opponent forgot to mention, that is the mechanism of payment. When we talk about repaid, of course we have to talk about how to actually repay it, like how much the government would cut from their debtor wage. Is it going to be 50? Is it going to be 25%? We need a fixed number in here. And also not to mention the different minimum wage in every city in Indonesia. Let's say I'm in Jakarta and I want to apply in UB or Universitas Brawijaya in Yogyakarta that has lower average income. Will it be the same as where I came from? Like the price will be adjusted to where I came from, or is it will be adjusted to where I apply, like that? And also, is it going to be the same for every student regarding the backgrounds? Let's say some students are from the uh, middle income family. Are they going to also pay the same exact student loan as those for those who student that came from higher up background? Okay, and then what if instead of applying for a job, let's say a fresh graduate student, instead of applying for a job to pay the student loans or opening a business so that they can pay the student loans, instead they decide don't want to do anything. What are the penalty that they'll get? Are they going to go to jail, prison, or are they going to need to pay more once they get a job? How does the penalty system work in here? And then after that, we need to look at the government side. How does the government ensure that the student can get to work as soon as quickly? How does it going to work? And also, as we know, the state of job market are really competitive right now in Indonesia. How does the government ensure that this fresh graduate student can be competitive in job market? And also, uh, they said that the rules student needs to contribute in Indonesia so they can quote unquote run to other country, like that. But do you know why quote unquote they run to other country? Because the other country they can get a better job with their own degree. Not to mention it wasn't that competitive. Usually it wasn't that competitive in the job market itself. And okay. Then also, the thing on the spending more on education, how does we ensure the government would want to spend more on education? After all, we know that right now, one of the more focused government is on this on the MBG program or frame program, like that. And let's say that I want to apply in the student loans. Where do I apply? Is it going to be the same as SMBP, like that, or what? And what kind of certificate that I need to give? Am I going to need to, example, if I give a certificate, am I going to have a lower student loans, or if I didn't give any certificate that that I would receive a higher student loan than other people, or and also is there going to be different from every major? Like, as we know, the more equipment your major need, the more expensive they are in terms of UKT. Like example, uh, the mechanical one can be more expensive than than the business one, like that. And again, after I'm graduating, how does the government ensure that I can get work as soon as possible? And lastly, they said that we live in a very capitalistic world in a bad way. Uh, they said that in the end of the speech that the government, but also at the end of the speech, they say that the government can get more tax revenue because of this program. Isn't that the same as capitalism? That okay. But after all, this program really needs to be reevaluated. Some question needs to be answered and not to be left in the dark. That's why we still deny this motion to be implemented. Thank you.